Have you ever wondered why some websites are so beautiful and responsive? In this video we'll be discussing some of the best tools in the web design market so you can also build your own website without stress. This website can easily help you set up your online presence, e-commerce service, and more without stressing too much about structuring, designing, coding, typography, and all those works that goes into developing a website. The first one we will be talking about today is Wix. Wix is a website building platform that allows users design, manage, and organize websites and the content within it. Wix has an AI you can chat with to make your web design experience smoother. You can tell this AI about your brand, business, and target audience. It will give you the best recommendations and make everything simpler. Click on the Create New Site button and then Design Your Site button. Pick a template as Wix has a lot of beautiful and well-designed templates. These templates are also responsive out of the box. This template I picked, I am going to be editing it so you can see how easy it is to use Wix. Click on the block you want to edit, and make changes from the options in the right sidebar. After that, you can publish your site. This is how easy Wix is. The second one we'll be talking about is Squarespace. Squarespace is a popular website building platform known for its sleek, modern templates and user-friendly interface. You can't go wrong with this one. I am going to be selecting a template from here and you'll see how easy it is to start. Following the authentication process, you can log in or sign up with Google or just use the email option so you can get started. Edit the template you pick to your taste. Select a block and edit it from the modal popping up. When you're done, you can save and publish your modern-looking and fully responsive website. The third one on this list is AppMint. AppMint offers AI-driven tools to build, manage, and grow your online presence. With a no-code builder, CRM, marketing tools, e-commerce solutions, and more, AppMint simplifies digital operations for businesses. AppMint is easy to use. Just follow the flow of the website and you can easily get the best of this amazing tool. Here, I am generating my website. You'll have to first input your email and a code is going to be sent to you. After this, your website will be generated and ready for edits. This platform is so versatile. It has a lot of options that will benefit brands and businesses of different scales. Check it out, try all the options and pick the ones you think is best for you. This one is a big playground to play in. The fourth one we have here is Shopify. Shopify is one of the world's leading e-commerce platforms, designed to help businesses of all sizes create and manage online stores. It is a fully hosted solution, meaning Shopify takes care of hosting, security, and software updates, allowing users to focus on building and growing their businesses. I have selected this template and I am going to edit to what I fit my brand or the purpose of the website in general. It is very easy to use and set up. You don't even have to worry about security and speed. Once I am done, I save and get my newly designed modern website published. Now, Weebly. Weebly is a user-friendly website building platform that allows individuals and small businesses to create websites, blogs, and online stores with ease. Weebly is known for its simplicity, drag-and-drop interface, and affordability, making it a popular choice for beginners and those who want to build a website quickly without technical expertise. You can simply select a template design you want and edit to your taste. Anyways, that'll be all for now. We'll talk more in the next one. Bye.